welcome back to the First Step YouTube channel. I am Manasi Patel, a 15-year-old author, blogger, editor, columnist, public speaker, and an avid STEM researcher. As you remember, the First Steps channel started with the concept of interviewing children for Father's Day in 2020, and this year we are back celebrating the anniversary. We decided to do the same in 2021, and today I will be interviewing Sanskriti Dubey, a 13-year-old poet. Sanskriti, would you like to introduce yourself?
Yes, hello, I'm Sanskriti Dubey, an aspiring writer and a programmer. And today I'm very excited to be with you, Mansi.
Same here. If you can share some lines about your father as well, because we are celebrating Father's Day, right?
As I've told you, that my father is also a writer, and we have arranged, I mentioned, it's like few days ago. I started podcast show him, and we do like he do the writing part and singing part, and then I do editing. And I think in this lockdown, apart from doing work, our bond has become stronger. And apart from being my mentor, he is also my best friend.
That's great. All daughters and fathers are best friends with each other. That's great. So today we'll be doing a short interview where we'll be talking about the bond between you and your father and just try to get to know how well your bond is. Okay? Are you down for that?
Yes,
Okay. So starting off, how inspirational do you find your father and what thing inspires the most about him?
he's definitely inspirational. He's mostly in studies, and he's my mentor, and so he like mostly he inspires me doing my studies, but also like in writing we share a very special bond of writer. Like he's my co-writer, and I help in that. So inspiration is like we both inspire us in some part.
So you both are inspiration for each other.
Yeah.
That's great. And how funny do you think your dad is? Like, is there any instance you would like to share?
He's funny with just me and my sister. Like mostly he's in serious mood.
Okay.
So I think he would be like moody.
Acha, I understand that. And how crazy can he get? Like, is he sometimes in the mood to do very different stuff from what he usually does or something
He
like
does.
that?
Sometimes it's rare. Apart from being serious, he also sometimes crack some jokes, and which is not really great. And then sometimes he's like his singing is not very good, but still he sings in a weird way just for making us laugh.
Yeah, that I can share that. They just want to make us laugh in any way they can. And so, apart from being a writer, what do you think your father will be good at? Like dancing, singing, drawing? What one skill other than writing or speaking he's good at?
No, not in dancing or singing. I think it would be great. Like he does speak, he's a speaker, and he plays in badminton, as I told. He's really good in that.
Okay, so that's some other skills he has.
Yes.
Okay. And does he cook? Does he
I
is he
think
good in the
I'll
kitchen?
give 4 out of 10. His cooking is like it's not
Do you
very
like?
great, not much, but he's more like in health. He's health conscious.
Okay, acha. I can relate to that, I think, with my father. And what is one thing which you feel that you have inherited from your father? Like, is there any specific thing, like a specific thing you do that is similar to the way your father does when he is in a certain situation or something?
I think we both are not much talkative person, and
Okay.
like we like to be alone mostly for
So,
the
acha, okay, I
concentration
get it.
in our work.
Hmm. Okay, so when you want to concentrate on something, you prefer being alone. That is what your father does as well. That's good.
Yes.
Is there any message you want to like? This video will be shared with your father. Like, we would like it if you can show this to your father as well. So, is there any message you would like to give it to him through this video?
I would just say like father are mostly they are in serious mode and they would say like do your studies and all that thing. But they just do this for us. And apart from being that serious father, they are like really soft from inside, and they mostly try making us laugh and balancing our both. Like I know about my father, he's balancing our both playing part and studies.
That's sweet of you, Hassan. So that thing you would like to convince to your father as well.
Yes.
And how do you think that COVID shaped your bond? Like, is there any specific thing that happened that made your bond stronger or something?
Yes, like because of COVID, all that thing closed down and the lockdown thing. So my father, he had a schedule of going always outside for work, and so did I for school. But after like all the things got set closed, and because of that, we got to stay home together for much longer time. And because of that, I think we got to spend more time, and this is why our bond got stronger.
Yeah, so that is one thing good about COVID. You get time to spend with your
Yes.
loved ones.
Family and
And
other members.
that's right. And if you would like, if your dad's life was converted into a movie or something like that, what title would you like to give it to the movie?
It it's kind of
This will
tricky.
make you think.
Yes.
You'll have to think.
um,
No
really
worries.
can't
Till you
think.
think of this title, we'll play a short game. Okay?
Okay.
And
Okay.
where once we're done with the game, you'll have to answer this question then. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, Sanskriti, now we have a segment of this video called Who is More Likely to? So you'll have to take two objects with you. One will be representing your father and one will be representing you. So I will ask the question like who is more likely to sing? And then you will have to show me the object representing either one of you. And from that object will decipher whether it's you or your father who is more likely
Do
to
you
sing.
have the
Do you
two
have the
objects
two
with you
objects
right
with you
now?
right now?
Yes.
Can you tell us why you chose these two objects specifically and if you can show them in the camera?
Yes. So I've got a pen and a racket. Because my father is like really good player of badminton. This is why I use this to represent him. And a pen because I'm a writer to represent mine.
Yeah, great. So the pen will be representing Sanskriti and the racket will be
Yes.
representing the father. So let's start with the segment. I hope it's fun for you as well. So who is more likely to laugh in a serious situation? Like if there's something serious going on, who is likely to laugh or giggle? Okay, I can relate to that. Who is more likely to sit for hours and hours concentrating on one single thing? Your father.
Yes.
I know that's it. Um, who is more likely to draw something beautiful? Okay, so you have that skill as well.
Yes.
Great. And who is likely to cry after watching something emotional? Who is more likely to uh, cook something when they feel like it? That's you as well. Okay. And who is more likely to be covered up in gadgets and everything? That's you again. um, Now I have to ask something which will take your father as well. So, who is more likely to
You can
forget
ask who is
about
more
something?
likely to play.
Yeah, okay. So, who is more likely to play when they feel like it?
Yes.
Your father.
Yes.
That's surprising. Okay. Uh, who is more likely to forget about an appointment or an event? Who?
I
Oh,
literally forgot
okay.
this one. My mom reminded
So,
me.
Sanskriti, how did you find this short interview?
That was definitely enjoying.
Yeah, it was fun for me as well interacting with you and knowing more about you and your father as well. And I hope you viewers, you also had fun watching this video. And if you like this, if you find our efforts appreciable, then please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comment down below. And don't forget to turn on your notifications, the bell icon, because you don't want to miss my friends, including Hasini, interviewing many more such impactful and insightful children and surprising their fathers. Okay, and thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Bye. Cheers.